Hello you guys. So today I'm going to show you this new Lush Fresh Handmade Cosmetics gift set, and it's a special gift set. I bought this on the Lush UK site, on their website, and there are two products in this gift set that you can't get anywhere else in England or in America. They don't sell them. They're only in this gift set. And some of you might know I just entered in 100 plus bubble bars from Lush that Lush are selling at the Harajuku, Japan concept store. And Lush has given me the information on all these bubble bars, descriptions and ingredients and such, and pictures. So I entered them all in my blog over the weekend. And inside this gift set are two products from the Lush Harajuku concept store. One is a bubble bar and one is a bath bomb. And so now I'm going to open this Best Friends gift set and show you what's inside. First of all, I love how colorful this gift set is. I like the colorful rainbow color flowers and the rainbow colored letters. So the first thing we have here is an American Cream shower gel. And Lush makes a hair conditioner called American Cream, and it was so popular and we loved it so much that Lush recently made a shower gel called American Cream. Now this is made with lavender and vanilla and sage, so it's kind of like an herbal vanilla, and it's got a tiny amount of strawberry juice in here as well. So that is American Cream shower gel. It smells just like the hair conditioner. It smells like a vanilla milkshake with a little bit of an herbal edge to it. And it's quite thick, as you can see. So that's American Cream shower gel. Next in this gift set is the Dream Cream body lotion. And this is a really popular body lotion. Lush has been selling this for 2 decades now. And it says, lull your skin into calm caresses, dreamed up in soothing chamomile and lavender. So in this is oat milk and organic extra virgin olive oil, rose water, glycerin, fair trade organic cocoa butter, rose absolute, blue chamomile oil, tea tree oil, and lavender oil. This is made for people with sensitive skin. When my twins were babies, I used this on them. My son had eczema when he was little, and I used this on him, and it worked really well. So it smells herbal and fresh like lavender. It's good to sleep. It smells calming and soothing. It's very thick, as you can see. So that is Dream Cream hand and body lotion. The next product in this gift set is called the Blue Gardenia Salt Cube Bath Bomb. Blue Gardenia Salt Cube Bath Bomb. This is exclusive in this gift set and to the Harajuku concept store in Japan, and a very different look for a Lush bath bomb. It's cube shaped. I like the way it looks. And it smells sort of floral and somewhat woody as well. I'm assuming there's some gardenia in here since that's in the name. That must be that floral smell. And I smell something woody, like, I don't know if it's hoe wood or sandalwood, something like that. So it's kind of a layered scent. I can't wait to use that and video that in the tub for you when I take a bath. So I'll make a demo video of that for you when I take a bath with it. And lastly is the rainbow bubble bar. Looks like a rainbow. And this is exclusive to the Harajuku concept store in Japan and to this gift set only. This has lemon And it smells like lemon and white flowers or something. It's not just strictly lemon. I like it. I can't really compare it to anything off the top of my head that Lush makes. It might be, but it's nothing that's jumping out at me as familiar. It's a nice lemony scent though, and I can't wait to use this in the bath. And when I do, I'll record a video of that as well. See what it looks like in the water. And so that is the Lush Best Friend gift set. So thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon on the next Lush video. Bye-bye.